I'm burning for love. Feel my desire. I can't stand the heat of my heart on fire. Something like that. Bon Jovi, Burning for Love. That was not a single from the first album. Singles from the first album were Runaway and She Don't Know Me. But it was a sort of EP/12-inch single in Japan. It was side 2, the track. Side 1 was Breakout live version and Runaway live version. Side 2 was Burning for Love, the standard song. Obviously, mail today. And, this is the original. I don't think they've done reprints or anything like that, but I'm aware of. 1984. Lovely condition. So I used to own this years ago, Sacrifice to Heaven. But I got another copy, and I've got a copy of Borderline coming in the mail. And I'm thinking about buying Red Hot 2-part and 2 parts live Thursday night. So, Burning for Love is by John Bon Jovi and Richie Sambora, the songwriters. Runaway is John Bon Jovi and G. Carrack, which is Carrack Gold or something like that. And he also co-writes another song, which is in the John Bon Jovi's Power Station Years album, G. Carrack. And Breakout is John Bon Jovi and D. Rushbaum, which is David Brian Rushbaum, the keyboard player for Bon Jovi. So Mercury Polygram Records, Mercury label Polygram Records, Burning for Love.